Well, new products could be hitting shelves at select Ontario grocery stores today, and it is one of the sticking points during negotiations between the LCBO and its striking workers.
Our Tina Yazdani has been following the job action since day one. Tina, so talks between the union and province resumed yesterday. The question, though, is do we know if they're any closer to a deal here?
Yeah, Fiza, Melanie, no word yet on any progress being made at the bargaining table in the last 24 hours. What we do know is that talks are ongoing at this hour after going well past 11 p.m. last night. But both OPSEU and LCBO remaining tight-lipped and unavailable for comment as these active negotiations take place. We also know that OPSEU had planned on presenting a new proposal to the LCBO that they say protects jobs and public profits. What is in that proposal remains to be seen, but the union has said they want to be part of the Ford government's alcohol expansion plans. Their main message throughout this strike has been that the current plan to put wine, beer, ciders, and ready-to-drink beverages in grocery, big box, and retail stores will put hundreds of millions of public dollars into private hands. They say they're fighting for public services like healthcare and education.
Tina, let's talk about the beverages hitting shelves today and the rollout. What are you hearing?
Yeah, so this is all part of the Ford government's accelerated timeline to get ready-to-drink beverages, those canned cocktails, into grocery stores. That can happen as early as today, 2 weeks ahead of schedule. This wasn't supposed to happen until August 1st. The Premier decided to move that date up because of this strike. So in response to this strike. So the 450 grocery stores already licensed to sell beer and wine can also start selling those canned cocktails. And that really has been the main sticking point in this labor dispute. The union had demanded they remain exclusively at the LCBO. Of course, that ship has now sailed, as the Premier said in a press conference last week. Doug Ford also emphatically saying, though, he's not trying to privatize the LCBO, and that in fact LCBO revenues have increased through previous rounds of alcohol expansions. Now, if you are heading to a grocery store hoping to see those canned cocktails today, it probably won't happen. We're told that logistically it'll take a lot of time and prep to actually get them into the store, so maybe next week is the earliest you'll see them. We're also hearing, Wine Rack had seen a surge in demand because of this strike. We're hearing some stores are now closing because they're out of supply, so we've reached out to them to hear how they're doing with this strike. So we'll hopefully have that for you at 5 and 6 tonight. Melanie and Fiza, back to you for now.
All right, keeping an eye on the talks and the rollout. That is our Tina Yazdani. Thank you so much.
Thank you.